I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study chemistry for Neet. Begin by thoroughly understanding the Neet chemistry syllabus. Focus on mastering fundamental concepts from your Class 11 and 12 textbooks. Develop a consistent study schedule, dedicating specific time slots to each chemistry branch. Regular practice with multiple-choice questions is crucial for improving both accuracy and speed. This foundational approach will build a strong base for advanced topics. For organic chemistry, prioritize understanding reaction mechanisms rather than rote memorization. Practice drawing structures and reaction pathways frequently to solidify your knowledge. It's essential to memorize common reagents and their specific roles in various transformations. Dedicate time to solving a significant number of organic problems daily, perhaps 50 or more, to enhance problem-solving skills and recall. Inorganic chemistry often requires a different approach. Read your insert textbooks multiple times to grasp factual information and details. Create concise, organized notes for periodic trends, exceptions, and important compounds. Flashcards can be incredibly effective for memorizing key facts and formulas. Pay special attention to topics like chemical bonding and coordination compounds, as they are frequently tested. For physical chemistry, focus on understanding the derivation of formulas, not just memorizing them. Extensive practice with numerical problems is vital. Aim for around 30 problems daily. Ensure you regularly revise all 3 branches of chemistry to keep concepts fresh. Finally, take full-length mock tests weekly to evaluate your progress, identify weak areas, and improve time management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.